Today we're going to be installing Temu exhaust tips on my mom's cop car. This is a Ford Sedan PPV with true dual exhaust, dual mufflers. Here's what I got on Temu for it. The pair was $33, so not bad. Especially compared to eBay and Amazon, exhaust tips are really expensive. And, you know, I honestly thought they'd be even cheaper for Temu, but not really on there. We've got kind of a clamp design here. So the inner diameter wasn't totally correct. Well, we're gonna make it work though. We'll get to that in a bit. I've got two of these, as I said. They took quite a while to get here, but that's Temu for you. And the ones I did order, they said no shit on them, which that was kind of weird, but also kind of funny. And, you know, in every picture almost, it said no shit. And obviously, these don't say a dang thing on them, and there's no stickers either. So that's disappointing, but I don't really care too much. That was kind of a weird, funny thing to have on them. So we are doing a sound test. So mind you, this car does have a small exhaust leak, so that's going to play a factor. And this is going to be a cold start with the stock exhaust with a leak. Just a normal chilly fall morning. We'll let Mom's car warm up a bit before I rev it. Let's go ahead and get these installed. Hard to do stuff one-handed with the camera. Okay. So, looking at it now, I measured the inner diameter, and I guess I could have thought this through more, but that clamp style is obviously not the true inner diameter. It makes it smaller. It's literally exact. Almost feels too tight. So, I think we're gonna remove the clamps altogether and see how tight we can get this shoved on there. It's just 3 bolts we're gonna unscrew by hand and then pull the entire clamp assembly out. My mom knows I have her car keys right now, but she does not know what I'm doing to her car. So it's gonna be a surprise. And if she don't like it, I'm gonna keep these tips for something else in the future. There we go. Clean this off a little. There's some debris on it. Okay. Make sure we have this the right way. Slide it on. Okay. That looks pretty insane. It's a little bit loose, but it's also kind of snug. Really though, if I ordered the wrong size and considering the clamps, there's really not much else we can do for this video. It'll stay on there for a test run, and for her to see it. So I think that will suffice for this video. Let's go ahead and get the other one on. Well, if that ain't the craziest thing I've ever seen on a cop car, I don't know what is. Oh yeah. She's not gonna like it, but let's go ahead and do another sound test. Alright, there's a lot of opinions on the internet on whether or not a tips change the sound of an exhaust. And honestly, I feel like there is a slight difference, but it's so hard to tell, and it could be a mind game here. Maybe it came through better on the audio, or maybe it came through worse on the audio. I don't know. You guys are the ones watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not gonna put my mom's car to the floor though for you. So sorry, but I'm not doing that. So non-public YouTube. So let's go get her reaction, I suppose. Maybe do a quick video clips first. We'll see.
Thank you, Lord, for my folk. You came along and took my breath away. Thank you, Lord, for my folk.
This better not be anything I'm gonna hate, Logan. Where's my keys?
In the house.
What the fuck did you do? How did you put those on?
I just slid them on.
Slid them on.
Yep.
Why? Where did you get those?
Temu.
I think you need to stop shopping on Temu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get them off.
Yep.
Yep. Put them on your truck.
Nope.
Yep. Get them off.
I will.
Where are you gonna put them?
I have plans.
You have plans.
Something like grandma's.
It doesn't even match my car.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, Logan. Could have been worse.